Subros Ltd, a thermal products manufacturer. Company is the largest manufacturer of auto air conditioning systems in India, like compressors, condensers, HVAC, tubes and hoses, and more. In May 2022, company launched the slimmest condenser and slimmest radiator in the world. These thermal systems are used in both automotive and non-automotive segment. In April 2019, company acquired many plants and machinery from Zamil to expand their offering into room air conditioning segment. About 94% of the revenue is generated from the automotive segment and 6% from the non-automotive segment. The company was incorporated in 1985 and got public in 1995. They are based in New Delhi with more than 1,100 employees and more than 3,800 workers. Company has 9 manufacturing plants located in Noida, Manesar, Pune, Chennai, Kasanpura, and Nalagarh with a production capacity of 1.5 million AC kits per annum and has 2 research and development centers in Noida. The market cap of the company is 4,882 crore rupees and currently trading at 748 rupees per share. The company has a 20% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 27% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is joint venture between Suri family, Maruti Suzuki, and Denso, with majority of the stakes held by the Suri family. They also have a technical collaboration with Denso, which helps company in developing new products. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Company serves many OEM clients and Tier 1 suppliers, with revenue concentration of 100% from domestic market. Some clients of the company are Maruti Suzuki, Ashok Leyland, Denso, Indian Railways, Tata Motors, BHEL, Force Motors, Havells, Voltas, and more. Just Maruti Suzuki contributes around 85% of the total sales, indicating high client concentration. In December 2023, company received a new order from Indian Railways worth Rs 28 crores. In fiscal year 2023, Government of India mandated AC in commercial vehicles, manufactured from October 2025, which could provide a strong boost to the company's revenue. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.